Rohingya people as a stateless people in their own country, on their native land, Arakan State, Burma. We come here to request and to urge the Secretary General of the United Nations, Mr. Ban Ki-moon, to take immediate steps, so that the Rohingyas cannot become foreigners in their own land. And we condemn the forced Bengalization process and program of the Burmese government. On the basis of emergency to protect the innocent Rohingya civilians, we urge you to send several clear messages to the parties, Rakhine State ruling government and the President Thein Sein quasi-civilian government for the stop of the state-sponsored genocide against the Rohingya people and forced Bangladeshization of the Rohingyas in the name of Myanmar 1982 apartheid citizenship law that makes the native Rohingyas as stateless people in their ancestral homeland. In particular, we would urge the Secretary General of the United Nations, Mr. Ban Ki-moon, to take a strong statement underscoring the importance of the both parties' full and stringent compliance with the international humanitarian laws. All those who violate the human rights laws must know that they will be held accountable in the future for their actions. A firm warning from your Secretary General now can help save the Rohingyas' life. We would like to urge you to insist the Rakhine ruling state government and the central government of the President Thein Sein do the maximum to permit the Rohingya to resettle on their own places, dismantling the concentration camp like IDP camps. Both governments must respect the universal rights of the Rohingyas to identify as Rohingya ethnic people in Myanmar. We also request and urge the Secretary General of the United Nations to urge that Myanmar government takes all feasible precautions to avoid indiscriminate or disproportionate attacks and mob violence, cease attacks that assume that Rohingya nationals have valid immigration Foreigners Act targets and not force the Rohingyas to accept Bengali word in place of the Rohingya ethnicity in the October 01, 2014 immigration and naturalization checking. We also request our Secretary General Ban Ki-moon to urge the Myanmar government to release all innocent Rohingya prisoners who are in jails for fabricated cases of creating violence and accusation of their connection with the terrorist groups. We also request the United Nations Secretary General to urge the Rakhine State population and Rakhine ruling party to accept that efforts by the United Nations, Medicines Sans Frontiers and other NGOs to Rohingyas are endeavoring to have an enhanced capacity to protect civilians from the ongoing violence and hostilities. Take all feasible measures to avoid excessive use of force and immigration operations against innocent Rohingya civilians. We also request our Secretary General to urge Myanmar government to allow access to Arakan, Rakhine State for the media and human rights monitors as well as international organizations to observe the situation in Arakan, Rakhine State in Burma. We also like to urge our Secretary General to make clear to the Rakhine and anti-Rohingya state government that any plan to raise homes further in Aomangla blocks and surrounding nearby Rohingya villages in Sitwe, other townships such as Mrau, Chakto, Mimra, Paukto, Maundo, Putidong, and other places that violates two fundamental principles of international humanitarian law, distinctions and proportionalities. And we would like to inform our Secretary General that we have a humanitarian crisis. The Rohingyas in Arakan State face a humanitarian crisis. The failure of resettlement of the Rohingyas on their own original places without dismantling the IDP camps had a disastrous impact on the health and well-being of the Rohingya civilian population, depriving them of enough food, medicines and other essential supplies and constitute the unlawful collective punishment of the civilian Rohingya population. As the humanitarian crisis deepens, we recommend you, the Secretary General, to make several crucial points. The current Delhi food supply is woefully inadequate to deliver and distribute aid. The Rakhine State government should be urged to support humanitarian aids and activities and other measures to greatly expand access of humanitarian assistance to the entire Rohingya population at risk at Aomangla block and other nearby villages. And also, we want to request our Secretary General to take think about the accountability. We welcome the calls of the Myanmar government regarding alleged serious violations of human rights. Violation of international humanitarian law. However, the records of Myanmar government show complete unwillingness to conduct impartial investigation of the mob violence. We therefore believe an impartial international investigation is required to look at the violations by the Rakhine ruling group and Myanmar central government. An international investigation would be an important way of demonstrating that the United Nations is deeply concerned about the fate of the Rohingya people, who are victims of a state-sponsored slow-burning genocide. Only an international investigation stands a chance at this critical moment of uncovering key facts and thus encouraging both Rakhines and Rohingyas to cease hostilities. We see your office, the Office of the Secretary General, as the best route to establishing such an investigation. Other United Nations bodies and departments cannot give the investigation the high stature, unshakable credibility which you could enjoy. While we recognize that the focus of your recent attention to the Rohingya statelessness and citizenship matter to secure a speedy end of the violence and alleviation of the humanitarian crisis, we believe that your announcement for an international investigation is equally important, and if postponed due to political factors, would hinder protection of the Rohingya civilians and accountability for the crimes committed against humanity. By calling on the Myanmar government to respect international humanitarian law and warning them that an international team will investigate the violation, you would send a critical signal that the international community is watching, and in so doing may deter future violence and violations. This is the message sent to you from Arkan. This message is sent to you on behalf of the Rohingya American Society, which is based in Wisconsin, Milwaukee, and the Rohingya Council International based in New York, which is combining under the one platform and group, that Rohingya Comrade. So we would like to send these documents to the Secretary General Ban Ki-moon by the delivery of the couriers. Thank you so much. Bye.